Welcome to Mindful Trading. In this video, we'll learn how to take a trade. We're on our EUR-USD chart. We're in the 1 hour time frame here. So be sure that you're on the 1 hour time frame and notice where you've drawn your lines of support and resistance. So remember that we want to find those areas and keep them on our charts. All right, we're also still in our paper trading account. Some people may have used $100 and some people may have used 50. And you can see down here that I have decided that 50 would be my balance for my paper trading account. Right, so we're going to find our circle tool, and over here you can see I have my list of highlighted tools. Remember that you can come over here and put a little star beside the tools that you use a lot, and it will appear over here on your favorites bar. And you can put your favorites bar on the screen anywhere that you'd like. And I just like to keep it up here, out of the way. And so what I'm going to do is use my little circle tool. While I was looking at the chart earlier today, I noticed that EU has created a reversal pattern near our support and resistance area. And since the reversal pattern is near our support or resistance area, we know that this might be a good place to take a trade. 12 o'clock, this first part of the reversal pattern was formed. The second candle was formed at 1 p.m., and this is our hammer that's pushing away from this resistance area. And at 2 p.m., the engulfing bearish candle was formed. And so we could decide that this may be a good place to take a sell or a short. All right, and so what I like to do is come over to this button here that says trade, and this is going to help us place an order using the order panel. So I click on trade, and then I look over here, and we're going to be taking a sell because we think price is going to go down. And so I would click sell, and then I would click on take profit and stop loss. And I know that it's a good idea to only risk 1 to 2% of my account. So you can see that this is the profit and loss as a percentage of our account balance. And so I would make sure that that is only 1 or 2. And right now it says 1.87. So I'm okay with that. And then I am hoping to get, let's see, 104, 1.04310 would be kind of right down here. So I think what I will do instead, though, is aim for an area of support and resistance that might be right around in here. Sometimes price likes to gravitate toward the ends of our wicks. So you could decide that you'd like for price to go here. This is 1.04916. Or if you prefer, you could have it decide that price is probably going to go down to your next area of support or resistance. So you can decide. And so what we'll do is go ahead and click on the sell button like that. And you can see that all of our prices have just shown up. So we've got our target or take profit down here near our area of support. And you can move this to wherever you want. Maybe you only feel comfortable having price come to here, or maybe to this wick. So you can decide. And as far as risk, we don't want to risk any more than this. So we don't want to risk any more than 2% or so, so we would leave that there. So that's 9 pips. All right. And so I think that's an easy way. Then I'll close out this panel. An easy way to see what's happening. Some people like to use the long and short positions, and you can do that, and it just kind of pops up on your screen like so, like this, and you move it to where you want like that. But I really just prefer using the panel over here because it's kind of out of the way and keeps my screen clean. And so this is a great example of how to trade and being sure that you use risk management, okay, on the 1 hour time frame. All right, great. So I hope that you found some value in this lesson. Once again, we have reviewed our support and resistance areas. We found a 3-bar reversal, and we learned to take a trade, all right, using the trading panel on the right. And we also talked about using very good risk management. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Okay, our reversal pattern signal worked well. The trade is moving in our favor. 18 cents, 28 cents, and up to about $1. And that's a 1-to-1 ratio, which is good. So you could take your profit here if you'd like, or move your stop loss into profit and continue with the trade. Learning to trade is a valuable skill. It helps to keep our minds sharp and helps us to supplement our income. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can catch our next video. See you soon!